What is up, guys? This tile list will be in the description, and today we are going to be judging Piggy traps, which I don't think has ever been done. I mean, it kinda has. Yeah, it kinda has. But anyways, this tile list will be in the description. It might not have all the Piggy traps, unfortunately. But anyways, let's get into it. We are ranking on ability, cost, which has how much its price, the amount of the trap, and the looks of the trap. So let's get into this. Let's get into the snow piggy trap first. So actually, let's start from the small trap. So the small trap, it says here, it has 5 seconds stun. That's not bad. It has 6, then 8. Okay. I find that a bit unreasonable. The range is small. I don't know what that's supposed to be, but the cost is 75. Now, honestly, this being 0, then this being 75 is probably very bad. Alright. So this is going down by 2 points already. Because I honestly hate that. That's probably, it's going down by 2 points. However, oh wait, it's going down by, yeah, 2 points, I believe. Oh wait. Wait. Its ability cost. Oh, the small trap's ability sucks. The cost. Actually, the ability is fine, honestly. The cost is unreasonable. The amount is unreasonable. The looks, I find it looks hideous. So it's going down by 2 points in ability. No, not ability. Why do I keep saying ability? It's going down in cost and amount and looks. Cost, amount, and looks. So that's going down to kinda bad. Boom. That's the small traps. Now the default traps, I bet it's immediately going up to superb. Ability is reasonable, the cost is reasonable, the amount is really good, and the looks, it looks amazing. So what's next? We got the slow traps. The slow traps, you see, here's the reason. The ability actually kind of sucks. The slowness isn't reasonable. Like, it's still very hard to catch the players, honestly. And the cost of it is 150. I find that to be unreasonable as well. The amount is 10. I guess it could go up 1 for that. But the looks, it looks really great. So it's going up to kinda good. Alright. So let's move on to the... Wait, did I mix up the big trap and the default trap? I mixed them up. Whoops. Let me fix that. This is supposed to go up here. Right. Now we're getting into the big trap real quick. The ability is good. The size is good. Wait, what am I saying? The ability is good. The cost is good. The amount is very good, I guess. And the look is really good. So this is going all the way up to superb. Alright, so let's move on to the egg trap. It's going down here. Here's why. Its ability really sucks, dude. The cost of it, what's the cost of the egg traps? 200, that's so unreasonable. Oh my god, that's so unreasonable, my dude. The amount is honestly really bad. Like, I hate it. The looks is awful as well. It's going down to bad, dude. Bad. Bad, 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 bad. The alarm trap. Let's see. Is it superb? The ability is great. The cost is great. Okay. So the looks is good, and the amount of it is really good. I love this trap. I'm not ranking if it's too good. I'm not doing that. The tombstone traps. The ability is good. The cost is, well, it doesn't have a cost, so that's fine. It's good. The amount is okay. Yeah, the amount is good. The looks is fantastic. So that's going up to superb. Hello? Yeah, superb. So, let's move on to the teleporter traps. The ability is great. The cost is great. Yeah. No. I kinda hate the cost. It's going down to good for that. The amount is 2. That's fine with me. And the looks is fantastic. So it's at good. That's the first one on good. The black hole traps. So the ability is great. The cost is great. The amount is great. The looks is great. So it's going up to superb. So we're moving on to the inflatable trap. The ability is really good. The cost is fantastic. The amount is fantastic. And the looks is really good. So it's going up to superb like that. The snow piggy traps. This, even though it's really bad with the slowness, I'm giving it half a point. Actually, half a point doesn't exist in this. Never mind. So, the slowness is bad. The ability is bad. Honestly, I'm sorry. The cost is good. The amount. Are you serious? 1? Nope. The looks, it's great. So it's going down to kinda good. And that's my ranking. Look at it. This is my ranking. And that's the end of this video. Bye, and as always,